Favorite restaurant in Cebu is Turning 1, and today we're having a special dinner with our chef, John Paul. And we're gonna start the night with some dark daiquiri.
I was supposed to serve sparkling. I changed my mind. I thought let's serve rum because rum is a prevalent spirit here in the Philippines, right? And it's a really, really great spirit to loosen up before dinner. It's Bacardi 8-year-old. It's an aged rum. What we do is we mix 1/4 Muscovado syrup to 3 parts, 3 to 4 simple syrup, just to add that to aid the rum with a little bit of that Muscovado flavor. Because the real aged rum tastes like brown sugar. Smoked bacon, and what we do is we brush it with maple syrup, apple cider vinegar again, and some spices, grilled tomatoes, pan-fried eggs, pickled onions. So different kind of bacon and eggs. One is not your usual ribeye, but a lot of chefs from different restaurants come here for that. So it must be good, right? So let's try. So it's served with bacon marmalade as a palate cleanser, horseradish also a palate cleanser, and a little bit of Himalayan salt just to add seasoning if you feel like it.
Fantastic dinner here at the weekend, and of course I always consider this one as one of my best restaurants in Cebu. The Fat Bastards is awesome. Steak, of course, proper. We had the flaming cheese, the queso clamado, and even the salad. It's really Jupiter's Acorn has been a favorite of mine, and it's always really good. I mean, this place is awesome, man. If you're looking for a good place, I mean, a wonderful place to eat in Cebu. And you know what? If you compare the prices with the quality of food, this is definitely one of those super value, sort of high-end restaurants that you can find in Cebu. Really great food at really good prices. So check them out. The weekend is located at the Greenery here at Mabolo.